How to set up a PayPal button to sell digital products on your website. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a PayPal button to sell digital products on your website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on PayPal, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is PayPal, it is a widely used online payment platform that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive money securely over the internet. So all you need to do is simply go to this website, paypal.com, and simply create your account and sign in. And after that, just click the settings button on the top right corner. Once you're now here, and upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is simply click the seller tools option. And under selling online category, it will show you these PayPal buttons. So all you need to do is simply click on it. And after that, from here, it will show you a lot of buttons. So just click this buy now button to make it add to your website, or from here to create a PayPal payment buttons. Next thing that you need to do is to fill out the required information. You can check these boxes if you want to allow your customer to enter their own prices, or check the other box to allow customer enter their own product quantity. For instance, in here, we're selling digital products. I'm going to simply enter here an ebook sample. And after that, beside it, you can simply enter the price and also choose the corresponding currency to it. So for the price of it is $10. You could also add a product ID, but that is just only optional. Below here, you can add or customize the button size, small or large. It will show you the preview on the right side panel of it. Well, to select the button text, you have a choices to choose either pay now or buy now. And below under use custom button image, you could also use it depending on your preference. Moving on, you could also add a drop down menu for a description and pricing, but that is just also an optional. Now one of also the important part is by navigating. If you scroll down right here, it will show you this optional tracking and optional settings. Under optional settings, we can set up the tax and shipping, but since we have only selling digital products, we don't need this one. Since upon entering here a shipping rate, you need to enter the price for it, but you can simply uncheck this one. Moving on, under customize your checkout pages, you can now start customizing it, including this return URL or the URL for the customer will be redirect once they purchase or check out the digital product or ebook. So we can simply enter here to choose our Google Drive or any type of file in here that will allow customer to download the digital product that they pay for. Now on this page, I'm going to choose this one right here and click the share button on the top right of this document as an example. Once done, it will show you a pop-up window in here, which includes the restriction for the link in here. If you're the general access, it is currently restricted. And now to start pasting directly on this return URL, all you need to do is simply access this one restricted and choose either to allow for editor or anyone with the link right here. Choose this one and simply select the editor in here. Once done, you can now click the copy link button. Upon copying it, you simply go back in here and paste it directly. So basically, once the customer click on it or purchase the digital product, they will automatically be directed on the page where they can download the product itself. You'd also add an advanced variables if you want to. But now to proceed, just click save and create button below. Upon doing so, it will automatically show you this generated code and email link. But under generated code, kindly copy the code, in which we'll be able to paste it, for example, in our Google sites. For instance, this website right here. It is only a template right here, but if you have your own website that you sell for digital products, you could also do so. From here on the right side panel, just click embed and click embed code on the pop-up window and paste it right here. Upon pasting it, it will show you what it looks like. So click insert button to proceed. Now it will show you in here the buy now button. We can start adding or changing the sizes of it and also the location of it. I'm just going to resize this one and change the location to center. Now it will show you in here what it looks like. So basically, once the customer try to click on it, they will automatically be directed on the URL or the file that they can allow to download it. So overall, that is just basically how you can set up a PayPal button to sell digital products on your website. Thank you.